Hello, this is our full stack development project. We are group number 15 and our project is simple food order page. This is done on Mern Stack. First, we start with the backend. In the backend, as we can see, we have the local host of our database here selected. This is our database, the address of our database where we want the data to be stored. Moving on, we can see we have 5 fields, each are of type string, and all of them are required values, so the required is given as true. Next, moving on to the node modules. These modules are installed automatically when we install node into our PC and we import it into Visual Code. Moving on, we have the assets for our web page. These are all the images and animations that are used on our web page are stored here. Next, moving on to the components of our web page. We have the banner, we have the cover banner, we have the header, we have the footer, we have the hero, which is the main page, and finally we have the login page. Next, we have the main app.jsx, where we import all of the different components that we have written the code for. These are imported into this and arranged in the way that we want it to be seen on our web page. Next, to run our web page, first we will have to start the backend. We open a terminal and change a directory to the backend. So we open a new command prompt terminal and we give cd backend. This changes our directory to the backend directory. Here we give the command node index.js, as index.js is the name of the backend file. Now as we can see, we are connected to MongoDB. So the backend has been started. Next, to start the front end, we will have to open another command prompt terminal. And here we give the command npm run dev. This starts the front end. As we see, we get a link. Once we click on this link, we wait. So as we can see, the different components that we discussed are all present on this web page. This is the dashboard, the navigation bar. Next we have the hero, which is the main page. Here as we can see, we can scroll through the different items on the menu. If we scroll down, we can see the banner, we can see the footer. Now if we want to order, in the top right we can see the order button. As when we click on this, we are directed to the login page, where as we saw we have 4 fields: name, phone number, delivery address, and your order. They are all string type and they don't have any specific constraints on them apart from that they have to be string type. So we can start entering. So I'll give my name, Samarth. We can give any phone number. We give address. So for the address today we will be giving DSATM. Now for an example order, we can just give something like maybe rice. Now once we submit order, we can see the order has been submitted successfully. Now to see where this order has been stored, we will open MongoDB. Once we are in MongoDB, we can connect to our database. We can open it, open the collection called orders, and when we scroll down, as we can see, the order that we have just given to and the address as DSATM has been stored. That is all for our now let us give a field empty and see what happens. As we can see, as the field is required, it gives us a warning that the field has to be filled. That's all for our full stack project. Thank you.